How to fix Monopoly Go loading and freezing problem. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can fix Monopoly Go loading and freezing problem. Alright, so this is a common problem with Monopoly Go if you have some technical issues with the app on your phone. And these technical issues most times include your cache and your storage, right? If you notice that your phone storage is almost used up, your Monopoly Go might not function properly. Another way is if the cache on your Monopoly Go app is too much. So how can you clear this cache? You'll do this by heading over to your phone settings. Alright, just head over to your phone settings and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the settings page. On the settings page, ensure you select app management. Once you selected app management, you will be taken to another page. Select app list, and once you selected app list, in the search box enter Monopoly Go. Alright, so once you've entered it in, you will take it to the Monopoly Go's page. Now on this page, you will see a list of options. Ensure you select storage and cache. Alright, now once you've selected it, you'll be brought to this page. Now on this page, at the lower part of the screen, you will see two options such as clear storage, clear cache. You have to click on clear cache. Alright, because the cache of an app make the app function well, but if the cache is too much, it is likely the app will malfunction or misbehave. Alright, just go ahead and click on clear cache. And once you've clicked on it, the cache should be cleared automatically. And then if you want to clear your storage as well, you can also click on clear storage. But you must note that once you click on clear storage, your progress on Monopoly Go might be lost. Alright, so once that is done, leave the storage app and then go ahead and open up your app. By now it should be working, but if it's still freezing, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Once you've uninstalled and reinstalled the app, the next step for you is just to input the same details you used to open the Monopoly account. Just input it in and your account would come back, and then you can continue with your game. So this is how you can fix Monopoly Go loading and freezing, not loading and freezing problem. Thanks for watching.